Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best toddler toys are probably one of the most important purchases a parent can make, as they play a crucial role in a child's development during their formative years. These aren't just playthings, they are tools that foster cognitive growth, enhance motor skills, and encourage imaginative thinking, setting the foundation for lifelong learning and creativity. Choosing the right toys means investing in your child's future, providing them with engaging experiences that stimulate their senses and help them explore the world around them in a safe and fun way. Number 5. LeapFrog Learning Friends 100 Words Book. Say hello to turtle, tiger, and monkey. They're here to introduce you to over 100 essential words, carefully selected by learning experts. Discover a variety of word categories that are perfect for little learners. You'll find pets, animals, colors, and so much more. Simply touch the words on the pages to hear them spoken aloud, along with exciting sound effects and interesting facts. You can even sing along to the theme song in your favorite word. Learn in both English and Spanish. This book offers a full bilingual experience, helping expand your vocabulary in 2 languages. This interactive book is designed for children 18 months and up. It's packed with engaging content to support early learning and development. What we like. This interactive book introduces over 100 words in English and Spanish. If you are looking for a way to introduce your toddler to new vocabulary in a fun and engaging way, this is a great choice. It's perfect for little ones who enjoy touching and exploring. What people say. The items on the pages play with the lightest of touch. It's appropriate for a range of ages. The colors are bright and it's very easy to use. It has a wide array of activities. Even if you just push the star that lights up, it plays songs. Really great learning tool. The pages are a thick plastic, not paper, which is great for kids. Speaker is clear. Batteries are easy to install. Durable for active kids and engaging for little minds. Book has some weight to it but not too heavy. 2 volume levels and Spanish as an option. The perfect learning toy. Pages are easy to wipe down. The book introduces over 100 age-appropriate words covering animals, food, colors, everyday objects, which helps toddlers build a strong vocabulary base. All words, songs, and instructions can be switched between English and Spanish, making it a wonderful tool for bilingual households or early language learning. The touch-sensitive pages, sound effects, fun facts, and songs keep children entertained while learning, which helps keep their attention and makes learning feel like playtime. Sized appropriately for little hands and built to withstand typical toddler handling. It's portable enough for travel or on-the-go learning. Number 4. BUNMO Pop Tubes, Sensory Fidget Toys. Discover a world of creative possibilities with these engaging sensory toys. They are designed to spark imagination and provide hours of fun for children. Stretch, bend, and connect them to form letters, numbers, and spirals. This encourages early STEM thinking and open-ended building challenges. The satisfying pull and pop action helps build grip strength and bilateral coordination. It also teaches valuable lessons about cause and effect. This large, colorful 4-pack is perfectly sized for little hands. They are ideal for individual play, sibling fun, or group activities. Click them together to create bracelets, hoops, and more. They are built to flex, twist, and provide endless popping enjoyment. Designed for children aged 3 and up, these are non-mouthable toys. Enjoy family-friendly fun in playrooms, classrooms, or on the go. What we like. These sensory tubes encourage creative STEM play and help develop fine motor skills through their satisfying pull and pop action. If your child enjoys building and creating, or you want to foster early STEM thinking, this pack is ideal for hours of imaginative fun. What people say. The toy is very durable and has survived many drops. My toddler loves the bright colors and different textures on this toy. It's a great size for little hands to hold and manipulate. Number 3. SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad for Kids and Baby. Get ready for a fun-filled water adventure. This innovative splash pad makes learning easy and enjoyable. It even has a built-in learning mat for extra educational fun. Beat the heat with this refreshing splash pad, perfect for children 12 months and older. Watch your little ones have a blast under the cool water sprinklers. It's perfect for creating endless summer adventures. Keep your children cool and safe with this parent-approved outdoor toy. It's designed with their safety in mind, being BPA and phthalates free. Enjoy worry-free fun in the sun and shade. We believe in the power of learning through play for healthy development. This product offers both engaging outdoor play and educational opportunities in one fantastic package. It's a great way to enjoy summer activities. As parents ourselves, we prioritize the safety and quality of children's toys. We are a proud American company dedicated to making things right if you're not completely satisfied with your purchase. What we like. This 3-in-1 splash pad combines water play with learning, featuring an educational mat base and safe, shallow water. If you want to keep your toddler cool and engaged with learning during warm weather, this is a fantastic outdoor activity. It's perfect for babies and toddlers who love water. What people say. After a year it is in great condition, with the only negative thing about this splash pad being the graphics are severely faded. Other than that it is still in like new condition and works great. Zero rips, tears or defects after multiple uses, with toys being thrown in it and stepped on. It is the perfect size for 1 to 3 children with its small footprint. It is quick to set up and can be put away after draining in 5 minutes. My 3-year-old loves it and she played in it for hours when it was really hot out. She liked it a lot as a 2-year-old as well, but I think she likes it more as a 3-year-old. Number 2. VTech Chomp and Count Dino, green. Meet the VTech Chomp and Count Dino. This friendly dinosaur toy recognizes the colorful food pieces you feed him, offering fun responses as he enjoys each bite. This baby learning toy dinosaur is designed to introduce your little one to colors, food, shapes, and counting. Choose between 2 engaging modes, counting or mealtime fun. With over 130 songs, melodies, sounds, and phrases, this early learning center keeps little ones entertained. They can even answer Dino's questions by selecting the correct food pieces. Explore learning through play with 5 shape buttons that teach shapes and numbers. Rotate the spinning disc to enjoy sing-along songs, or pull the toy along for interactive fun. This baby toy is perfect for toddlers aged 1 to 3 years old. It includes volume control and auto shut-off for convenience, and comes with demo batteries. What we like. This friendly dinosaur toy teaches colors, food, shapes, and counting through interactive play and food recognition. If you're looking for a toy that combines early education with fun, this is a great option. It's ideal for toddlers who enjoy feeding toys and learning through songs and phrases. What people say. The bright colors, fun sounds, and counting feature keep little ones engaged while helping them learn numbers and colors. It's sturdy, easy to use, and a big hit with kids. Great quality and lots of fun. The toy recognizes each piece and talks about colors, shapes, foods, and numbers, so there's a lot of language and learning built into playtime. It makes learning feel like a game, which is exactly what we wanted. High quality, durable, safe, cute colors, and easy to use. Entertains for 30 minutes at a time. Great toy for 1 to 3-year-olds and teaches colors, shapes, and numbers. Number 1. SEREED Baby Balance Bike for 1-year-olds. Introducing a wonderful balance bike designed for toddlers aged 12 to 24 months. It's the perfect first birthday gift to help your little one learn walking and riding, building essential balance and confidence. Designed with safety in mind, it features no pedals and a fully widened wheel to protect little feet. The turning limit and gravity steering ensure they stay upright and secure while playing. This mini balance bike boasts a durable aluminum alloy frame, comfortable non-slip handles, and a soft seat. The wheels are wear-resistant and safe for both indoor and outdoor use. Crafted from high-quality, safe materials, this balance bike is an ideal and reassuring gift for any 1-year-old boy or girl. Give the gift of fun and development. Weighing only 1.6 kilograms, it's incredibly easy for both parents and children to carry. This encourages independent play and keeps them engaged without constant assistance. What we like. This baby balance bike is designed to help toddlers develop balance, coordination, and confidence from an early age with its safe, no-pedal design. If you're looking for a first ride-on toy that promotes physical development and is easy for your little one to manage, this is an excellent choice for a first birthday gift. What people say. The toy is very durable and has survived many drops. My toddler loves the bright colors and different textures on this toy. It's a great size for little hands to hold and manipulate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.